none of us were expecting for her to pass away so soon and so suddenly. So my mum never had any long-term health issues. She got her breast checks regularly when she turned 50 and never had any problems. And then after COVID in 2022, she went for her regular mammogram, came back clear, great news, you know, it's a relief to hear that. And then just, I think under a year later, she felt like there was maybe a bit of a lump or that something was off. So she went to see her GP to investigate, and she was kind of told, you know, maybe you should just wait another year. You have your next breast check next year, so you might as well just hang on. And she insisted on getting additional screening because she knew something was off. And when she got the additional tests, it turned out that there was a bit of a shadow there, and it was also the first time she was told that she had dense breast tissue, which was something she had never heard of before. And a few months after that, you know, she was diagnosed with stage 4 metastatic breast cancer, just a year after getting the all clear. So it was quite a shock, and it kind of came out of nowhere. And going from a clear mammogram to having a terminal illness is just, something you can't really put words to.